tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you've already subscribed my YouTube channel. If you haven't, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I keep releasing. So friends, as you're aware, we have two channels, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English, especially for the global audience who are more acquainted and comfortable with English language. Friends, I also have a new channel, new brand under the name Astro Vruksh by Shefali. It is going to be a parent brand and Tarot Reader Shefali will be a sub part of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Astro Vruksh by Shefali, I offer integrated destiny management solutions where I cover tarot reading, astro tarot, astrology, Vedic, KP astrology, Vastu, Astro Vastu, palmistry, numerology, healing therapies, crystal therapy, as well as spiritual guidance, everything in my own capacity. Wherever I feel there is a need and connect as per your problem or a solution is possible through this or other stream, I try to offer it to optimize the result for you. So that is what this new brand is going to get for you. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook page and Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do join me on Facebook group of Astro Vruksh by Shefali. In coming month, we will be doing a lot of activities over there. Right now, it's a small group, so the activities are quite limited, but we'll be doing more and more activities as we go ahead in the journey. So without wasting too much of time, let me tell you that I'm going to do monthly predictions for your sun sign on special request from many of my followers and subscribers. They are more inclined towards sun sign based prediction, and then comes pick a card reading for them. So we are going to again start with sun sign based predictions. Let's see what's in cards for your sun sign for the month of March 2021. So friends, let's see what's in cards for Virgos for March 2021. Hi Virgos, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have energy of deceit in the reverse position. So friends, here we have two contradictory readings for that. So either you are getting deeply deceived by somebody whom you least expected. Hi Virgos, let's see what's in cards for you for March 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have energy of deceit in your cards and it is in the reverse position, which is suggesting either you are coming out of the situation where you are deceived by somebody, and in the coming month or in this month you will be getting awareness of who is that person who was trying to deceive you. Or alternatively, for some people there could be a situation that you are getting deeper into the web of deception which somebody is weaving for you. Now this person could be your known confidant who is trying to mess around with you. So just be a little careful on whom you trust upon, Virgos. Let's start with your relationship. We have Knight of Cups in the upright position in your relationship segment. Now this card is suggesting, it is in the reverse position however. So this card is suggesting that there was some proposal which you were expecting, which was round the corner, but it has got delayed or either cancelled or delayed. Now this could be a new love affair or a love proposal which somebody was really interested and was keen to propose you and take things ahead for maybe commitment, but it is delayed, it is stuck for some reason. Then this could be just a time factor, I would say, because I can see this love energy which is still there blooming in your life in the coming time. Chakra advice card is suggesting that love energy is around the corner. So don't be disheartened even if this proposal is delayed. It could be for some people like a renewal of marriage or revival of fresh start of marriage in their case. However, it is still they might feel some delay or some blockages in execution or in the presentation of their love interest or otherwise to the partner. Now this could be again, as I said, situational, time factor led, and in time things will unblock and the partner will speak out their heart and propose you and speak out the positive side of their feeling about you. So just Be assured about that. Be harmonious with your inner self. Things will shape up in time. Things, whatever you are expecting, will happen. They might take some time, but the energy of love is surrounding you. So don't worry, things are on track. Coming to your career, we have Fool's card in the career segment, which is suggesting some new opportunity coming by you. This new opportunity could be a very prospective opportunity and a very different, out of the box opportunity which you are presented with either in your current job environment or in your business environment, or by or in your education segment. It could be that also. You should explore it surely, because it's really potential, and if you make something out of it, it could be really path breaking, but you need to take rightful advice before taking decisions. So don't take any hasty steps or without analyzing what the action reaction would lead to. So just be a little careful. Again, advice for you here, very synchronicity, as we say, where we have got two Fool cards over here, which are double warning, dual warning, that be careful of your decision in career. Yes, it is a potential period, it is a potential opportunity which really can create a magic and a steep hike in your career, but be little careful while taking steps. Coming to finances, Ace of Wands is the upright position. Very good card. It says that you will be presented with a very good investment opportunity in the coming time, and this investment opportunity could really come from nowhere, somewhere you never expected it to come from. The opportunity might appear from there, but it will be very prospective, very lucrative. So do consider it. Just act like a miser while spending. Okay, so just advice for you here is, don't be exorbitant because the opportunity looks good. You will don't let your hand loose while investing. Just be little miserly when you are actually planning your investment over here. Be careful, be miser while spending your money or investing in anything. So by miserly, I mean be little extra careful, little extra analytical on the opportunity cost of putting your investment in that particular segment. Coming to your health looks good. You are taking due care of your health in this month, and wherever needed, you are also taking help of the practitioners or needed or necessary aid. You are seeking necessary aid in order to better your health in every manner. And I can see you connected to your conscious, so you're very much connected to you're very much grounded to yourself, connected to yourself. So emotionally, spiritually, psychologically, in every sense, you're looking quite balanced in terms of your health, which is a good news for us. Clear yourself is a message that angels are giving you. So if at all you're holding on to something, whether it is related to relationship or any other matter for that matter, use this month to clear all the negative energies, to clear all the negative feelings, anything which you have absorbed in the past during the learning process of life, and try to start new. It is a good phase coming by in your life in general. As I said even before, love energy is surrounding you, so don't worry. Even if things are delayed in your love life, they are going to happen, and they are going to happen for your good and positively. So I really hope this reading helped you guys work. So friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Don't forget, this is a general reading, so take it as a guiding light and not the verdict. Use it to plan your month wisely. Wherever you feel that there is a need of personal guidance, you can connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. You can put me a message on WhatsApp number, on Instagram page, on Facebook page. Wherever you feel the need and wherever you feel the need to connect and get the help, you can connect with me over there. You can share my videos with your friends and family on WhatsApp groups, on Facebook group, and multiple other groups, so that more and more people can get help out of these free readings and free guidance. Don't forget to comment on my videos. I am more than eager to know your feedback on the videos. Your feedback only has helped me to start the sun sign brace predictions again. So don't forget to share your feedback. Don't forget to share the topics for your pick a card reading. I'll try to accommodate it across the coming months. And I really want to thank all the people who are already part of my journey and would like to welcome new people on board. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and as well as on YouTube channel, especially for these new subscribers. Take care guys, keep in touch. I hope to help you in my capacity. Take care.